in today's video, we have breaking IRS news, we have the next direct deposit date shared, and much more. So make sure you stay tuned for all of the details. But before we begin, as always, welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. Now let's begin with the breaking news. President Donald Trump has removed the new IRS Commissioner Billy Long and has replaced him with Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent. Long was only just sworn in as the new IRS Commissioner in June of 2025. And Billy Long has confirmed to NBC News that he is leaving the job. He stated that it is an honor to serve his friend President Donald Trump and that he is excited to take on his new role as the ambassador to Iceland. A spokesperson for the IRS stated that they thank the IRS Commissioner Billy Long for his commitment to public service and that a new candidate for the IRS Commissioner will be announced at the appropriate time. And the IRS has also updated some key facts that you need to know about the IRS PIN. Let's go ahead and get started. It is a 6-digit number known only to the taxpayer and the IRS, and the opt-in program is voluntarily, though strongly encouraged. The IP PIN is valid for 1 calendar year. A new IP PIN is generated yearly, and only taxpayers who can verify their identities may obtain an IP PIN. Also, IP PIN users should never share their number with anyone but the IRS and their trusted tax preparation provider. And the IRS will never call, email, or text a request for the IRS PIN. Tax professionals cannot obtain an IP PIN on behalf of clients. Taxpayers must obtain their own IP PIN. To obtain an IP PIN, you can visit the IRS and select the Get an IP PIN page. And finally, the IP PIN process for confirmed victims of identity theft remains unchanged, and victims will automatically receive an IP PIN each year. Now let's continue with individual tax returns. Remember, electronically filed Form 1040 returns are generally processed within 21 days, and you can check the status on irs.gov. And the IRS is currently reporting that they are processing paper returns. These are 1040 returns, original received June of 2025 and amended received May of 2025. Also, Form 1041 paper returns, original received July of 2025 and amended received December of 2024. And this does not include those that require correction or additional review. In terms of letters and notices, the IRS is currently processing your correspondence received May of 2025. So if you had to provide additional information, make sure to expect a delay in the IRS updating that information. And in terms of the 2025 tax filing stats, the IRS still has not updated any new information since May 9th of 2025. If your 2024 tax return is under review and the IRS requests additional information from you, it states that if the information that you provide supports your tax return, they will accept your return as filed and release your 2025 tax refund. If the information doesn't support your tax return, they will disallow all or part of your withholding, which will result in either a balance due or a reduced tax refund. You could also receive a notice of deficiency. And if you don't agree with the IRS decision, you will have the right to appeal it. Now, for the good news, the next direct deposit date shared is 846 refund issued for August 25, 2025. Make sure to check your IRS online transcript as well as the WMR on irs.gov for your next direct deposit date. And don't forget to share with us in the comments. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more 2025 tax refund update and breaking news. Bye-bye.